Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you in 3 simple steps how to translate any video into any language. We won't waste any more time, so I'll show you right away the beginning. We go to VoiceCheap.ai. I will put the link in the description of this video. We click on try for free. You connect to your member area. Either you upload your file right here or you insert your YouTube link. Then you click on continue. You select your language. In this case I selected English, and there I arrive on this interface. On the left, we have the transcription of the native language, in this case, the transcription in French. On the right, we have the contextual translation in English directly. There, we can directly click on Next Step, Translate in English, and immediately we have the result that will appear in a few seconds. There, we have video downloading, audio separation, quality enhancement, translation, creation of artificial voices, synchronization, re-enhancement. We clean the voices, we clean all the sounds to have the maximum quality and the most beautiful sound at the end. With voice cloning, of course. Here we are, in a minute, right to the point. We're at the conclusion. That's how it's done up, from A to Z. It's quick and easy. It's completely free to test the tool, so you can create a free account. Then you test the tool for free. And then, if you really like it and you are satisfied, you can proceed to checkout. And there you get a small plan. Starts at 29 euros monthly and ends at... There is no limit. You know, in business, there are no limits. If we translate all the videos on YouTube, believe me, there are quite a few millions, even hundreds of millions of euros in budget to translate all the videos on YouTube into all languages. If it's not in billions, honestly, it still costs quite a bit of money, all these technologies, especially in storage and everything. I think you can imagine a bit the complexity. We already... Our videos translated fast. See, I talk, present, it's translated. Here's the result, live. So we do have the preservation of sounds of the audio. Sound effects of the music, we have everything that is preserved, so the background that you are not obliged to keep. By the way, it is an option right here. Settings, you click on no, and there you will not have the background. If you put yes, you will have all the sounds of the background. You can even activate the subtitles, activate the voices, which are 5 times cheaper. So that can be very interesting to translate a lot of videos at once. Add a custom voice. In short, you have a lot of possibilities. We are not going to waste time. We are going to add a new language, Arabic hop. And while I talk to you, I encourage you to test the tool for free. Do your own tests, because watching a video is very good. It's very interesting. It's entertaining, but I don't want to promise you the world and wonders, tell you anything. No, I present the tool to you calmly. It has its strengths. It has its weaknesses. It is in constant improvement. We take into account customer feedback. We take into account a lot of things. We are already ahead on a lot of points. We can directly connect YouTube channels as input, connect YouTube channels as output. You have your channel in French on the left. You have all your translated channels on the right. German, Spanish, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, Ukrainian, etc. You click on a button, bam. Everything is selected, sucked in, translated, voice creation, bam. You have 10 videos. The titles are translated. The thumbnails are re-imported. Finally, imported and re-exported to all your YouTube channels. Descriptions and keywords translated, and you did that in a very short time, or even automatically. So you plug everything in. It's really automatic, and if you want, we can completely do everything for you, including proofreading, including checks, and so on and so forth. We can do everything for you by hand in an ultra high quality and professional way. Now I am going to show you the beginning of the video in English, and then we will wrap up on that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like this video and subscribe to our YouTube. I just have to tell you to test the tool. There, you can create an account for free and test the tool completely for free. And then, if you really like it, you take a subscription. If you find that it is not good enough or that there are flaws, you do not take a subscription, but if that is the case, Do not hesitate to give us your feedback in the chat right here. It would really help us improve the tool. We really want the tool to be exceptional to use. That's why we connect YouTube channels as input, as output. We will connect to YouTube that are translated. We're simplifying things. If you have any ideas, we are able to add new features in a few days. We are extremely responsive, extremely focused on performance. We really just want to have the best tool. So if you like it, do not hesitate to give us feedback, whether it is positive or negative. We are here to be constructive because we are here to build things. Enjoyed the video? Test the tool for free. Give your opinion. Translate your channels, translate your videos into all languages to have a global reach. And there you go. I will see you very soon. I wish you growth, success, and prosperity. And I wish you good luck.